What is up, mother fishers? It has been a while since I made a video, and I apologize about that. I have missed you guys. It's been a hard time fishing. Got some construction going on my road. I haven't been able to get my boat out. I haven't even got my boat back together. Start a new job, and here we are. And right now I am waiting on a 14 by 36 shed that I will turn into a workshop. And leave me a thumbs up if you want to see the process of turning that from lofted barn shed into my semi-dream workshop. I gotta get a place to clean up all this mess, make a new home for that compressor so she's not sitting outside, and then we will be able to have a workspace to work on that guy. And boat stuff. There's gonna be boat stuff. I've tried doing a video time and time again. GoPros suck. So how you doing? How you doing? That's one. That's, I don't know who that lady was, but she waved, so she's whatever. I'm pacing right now. That's what we do. Anyways, I've tried to get some videos done. We've taken Derek's boat out a couple of times, hitting some striper, had some pretty good nights. And as soon as I fire up the GoPro to catch it all, it freezes or overheats or corrupts the card. I'm surprised I've been talking this long on it. I'm using it right now, and I hate this piece of crap. I'm gonna be buying a DJI soon. Anyways, let me know if you want to see the old workshop progress. We're getting ready to go on a cruise on the 21st, and we'll be taking you guys along with me for that. We're going to be going to Nassau and one of the Carnival Islands down in the Bahamas. I don't remember. Princess Key, I think, or K, however you prefer to say it. But just want to give you guys a quick update, let you know I haven't forgotten about you, and things have been really busy. The new job is it's a pretty hectic schedule, so there's that. Anyways, once things flatline a little bit, I'm going to be hard back at it, and we're gonna be making a lot more videos. So apologize for the inconvenience. Thanks for sticking around. Love you guys. Until next time, I'm gonna holler at you later. Peace out, mother fishers.